Yeah, good day all. I'm Imo Williams Debon from Lagos State. I'm representing the batch 2 and Seco 2. I want to use this medium to thank every one of us that participate in MMM Economy School. I have some presentations or some feedback to lay down, which is I want to speak on three of the rules and regulation and the benefit of MMM. Yeah, one is that I have to lay all the things which I have learned. So far so good. We have come to the conclusion of our school and of our lecture. I know that this school will make me somebody tomorrow in future. And number two, MMM as a community, as a social network, I have learned so much on this platform. Today now, I know how to drop my link to any social network. Today now, I know how to present any assignment or to give a feedback of what I have learned. Talking of the ideology of MMM, the ideology of MMM state that in our society now there are recession in our community, and we ph and give help to our participants. Then the ideology of MMM state that you don't upload. The ideology of MMM state that it state that you market MMM as a social network. You introduce your friends to join the community. You make them to know how does MMM work. I am very happy today that I'm a member of MMM, and MMM as a global community has impacts so many things in me today. Now I know how to use Excel. And number two, I know what Google Doc means. Formerly, I use a phone, but I doesn't know all these functions. But now with MMM, I've gone so far. Even on our class, we discuss it with our members on how to use Google Doc, how to download Excel, how to use PowerPoint to read any document that cannot be opened by any social network. I want to speak on the ideology of MMM today. The ideology of MMM, it is a result of recession on our country. Today, we provide help to any, we provide help and we receive help. And two, the rules of MMM state that you doesn't have a multiple account. That is rule number one. But you can PH in one particular account in 4 to 3 times, but don't have a multiple account. That is rule number one. Then number two, do not delay any order. You don't have to delay any order. Like when they ask any participant, for now I really do appreciate Mavrodi for what he have done. This one, there is no excuse whereby you say you did not get any message, unless your phone number is faulty or you don't have phones that you will say that you did not see any message. The thing is that whenever you have an order to make payment, the system automatically give you an SMS text that you find out that you have an order to make your payment. Then you don't have to delay it. Then rules number four, do not do not make do not edit your bank details. You don't have to edit your bank details. Why? Because if you edit your bank details, Chrome or support will put you into monitor room, and that means that you have to wait for a particular time that they will release it. And before you wait, they will send you a test to your PO that you will know that you are temporary on monitor room or reason. Then you have to state the reason why did you edit your bank statement. Then number 4, do not click I refuse to make payment. You are the one that ph. Why now it's time for you to make payment, you are now writing I refuse to make payment? It's not unfair. What about the recipient? The recipient have paid his own money. He did not write I refuse to make payment, but now it's your turn for you to pay the person. You are now writing I refuse to make payment, which all this can contribute to the downfall of our platform. Thank you. Then number 6, do not make deposit and refuse to upload your POP. This rules number 5 is very very important. Most of my downlines, they will say they have paid but they forgot to make the upload. Don't do that. Whenever you want to make your payment, try and make your payment, and at the same time don't be too long to upload your teller or your proof of payment. This will enable the system to complete, because whereby you did not upload your bank statement or your teller, it will mean that you have not make any payment, and this will make system to block you, which is not good. Then rules number 7, do not fail to confirm any payment. It is very very important for we to understand that whenever you fail to confirm payment, it will make the next participant to have a tension that want to be a scam, which is not supposed to be so. Please try and understand all these rules and guidelines that are guiding us on this our society. Thank you. Then number 8, do not allow your family members to ph more than you. This is very very important. In a situation whereby you will register, a guardian will register all his own family members, he will be thinking on to be having a percentage or guardian or referral bonus, and he will go and ph small amount, which is not very good. At least when your family member ph 50,000, at least you as the guardian show example that this system is really really working, not for the one that your family member will ph 200,000, you will now go and ph 20,000. It's not that good. Please try and desist. If you are one of the guardian that is doing that, please desist from it. I'm Imo Williams, representing batch 2 on Circle 2 2017 stroke May 2017 stroke 2016 guardian to become tomorrow. Thank you. Then benefit of you have a register bonus. Please, whenever you as a guardian, a referrer, please try and promote the system. When you try to promote the system, it will enable new members to log in, to come in. Then 2, attending to program attract benefits. Yes, I will say that whenever you are on chance or your leisure time, try to find any place that have their own program. Please try and attend it. It will make you to have a clue, or to make you to be social in the network on how work. Then number 3, I will say that as a community, as a relationship, I will call it a relationship because it's a peer-to-peer donation. It does not have a central account. It does not have a bank where you pay, every participant will pay his money to. Not unlike other network that when you ph to one account. Is not so. And mind you, you are using only your spare money for not to have any panic. Try to use your spare money to run this society. Thank you. I'm Imo Williams, presenting batch 2 2017 May 2017 and Circle 2. Thank you. I'm using this medium to say a big thanks to my mentor Victor, for all what you have done. I really appreciate you for your effort and your contribution towards the upcoming guardian to be tomorrow. We hope that everything will work well to the benefit of MMM. Thank you. Remain blessed. From Imon Williams, Ebon.